Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Just a quick update video here that we turned around in the reversal area here. Yesterday we talked about that with a high likelihood this would only be a wave 4. I think yesterday we were around $130, $131. And I said that a first indication that we are going higher here in a wave 5 will be if we move out of this target area, the reversal area. And basically said to you that my point of view is that we have not yet finished this first wave in yellow of the larger impulse in a wave 3. As you remember, we did our wave 1 here, which peaked at around $133. We came down in a wave 2, and my opinion is that we're now in the wave 3. The question was only, obviously the wave 3 itself has 5 waves, so you've got your yellow count here, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And in this first wave, we have 5 waves as well, 1 complete, 2 complete, 3 complete. And the question was, did we already complete waves 4 and 5? So was that, were they basically here? Because we made a higher high there. Or do we still push higher? And I said to you yesterday, before we did that jump, that I think there's a good likelihood we still push higher, because this is a very clear 3-wave structure now, a wave 4, possible running flat pattern. Now we haven't made it below the wave A. Let's see if we still do it, but it might just be a running flat pattern, which is the less likely one. As explained to you, if we have such an overshooting wave B, it can be a running flat or an expanded flat. In the expanded flat, we go a bit lower before we move up, and in the running flat, we don't need to go below the low of the wave A. We just move up straight away. And which is what we did. Now we reached that reversal area, which is for a wave 4 the ideal level or range to turn around. And so far we did that. However, we did not manage to push above the wave 3 high. So let's see. Let's see if we can push above that. So the next good indication that we are already in the 5th wave will be a move above the high of the wave 3, $145. And then we can get to the area between 151 and 167 to complete the wave 5 of wave 1, and we would then come down in a wave 2. That's my current opinion, which is currently located between $100 and $117. That might change a bit depending on how high the wave 1 goes. Now there's no guarantee we now go up from here. There's never guarantees in these markets, but the point is we turned around in a support zone, so this is always when we need to be ready. Okay. Now, again, this doesn't, as long as we stay below the wave 3 low here, we could still come down deeper into this green area. So there's no guarantee this is already the breakout. In the next pullback, I think that is where we see the decision. At the moment, to be fair, it looks a bit like a bull flag, but in the next pullback, if we see a move down below the low of the wave 4, then we know that this was not yet the sustainable breakout. There is no guarantee at this stage. We have a 3-wave move, ABC, complete. Again, the point is a running flat pattern is quite rare, so there is a certain likelihood we push down once more, and then this would become a WXY pattern, and the Y wave is just an ABC in itself. So we need to be ready for that as well. But at the moment, I think it looks like we're just consolidating, which would be bullish, and we will push higher and make it above the 145 level, which would be a breakout point, which could take us in the first instance to $145. 151, and then maybe all the way up to 167. So we're on track at the moment. Just want to keep you updated here. Maybe one more point to mention. This could become a triangle. Okay, so just looking at this could just be a triangle, an elite wave triangle as well. A, B, C, D, and then one more down in an E. A wave 4 is oftentimes a triangle. So this would be an alternative pattern. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so that is something to have in mind as well. So if we come down once more and don't make it below the low of the wave C, it can very well just be a triangle. This is a wave 4. A wave 4 is often a triangle, or at least regularly a triangle. And we could then from here push to the upside after another leg down, depending on how low it goes. I think it's either a WXY or an ABCDE triangle. the triangle will get invalidated if we push above $147. If we want to measure now an ideal target for that wave E, again, that's a bit because we don't know if it's a triangle, but it would be $132, the 61.8 fib extension. So I keep that on the chart. Let's see if we come down once more, that will be probably the first major support level. Okay, and that's my update about Quant. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.